At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an editing business can be an exciting venture if you have a passion for language and a keen eye for detail. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Assess your skills and expertise. Determine what types of editing you excel at: copy editing, proofreading, developmental editing, etc. Assess your strengths and weaknesses to understand your niche. 2. Market research. Research the demand for editing services in your target market. Identify your potential clients, authors, businesses, students, academics, etc. 3. Create a business plan. Outline your business objectives, target market, services offered, pricing structure, marketing strategies, and financial projections. A solid business plan will guide you through the initial stages and help attract investors if needed. 4. Choose a business structure. Decide on the legal structure for your business: sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, etc. Consult with a legal or financial advisor to determine the most suitable option for your situation. 5. Register your business. Register your business name and obtain any necessary licenses or permits required in your jurisdiction. 6. Set up your workspace. Create a dedicated workspace equipped with necessary tools such as a computer, editing software, reference materials, and reliable internet connection. 7. Build your portfolio. Start building a portfolio of your work to showcase your skills and expertise to potential clients. Offer your services to friends, family, or local businesses at discounted rates in exchange for testimonials and referrals. 8. Develop your brand. Create a professional brand identity including a logo, website, business cards, and marketing materials that reflect your editing services and target audience. 9. Market your services. Utilize various marketing strategies to reach your target audience, such as networking, social media, content marketing, and attending industry events. Consider offering free workshops or webinars to demonstrate your expertise and attract clients. 10. Set your pricing. Determine your pricing structure based on factors such as the level of editing required, word count, turnaround time, and industry standards. Be competitive, but ensure your rates reflect the value of your services. 11. Establish contracts and policies. Develop clear contracts outlining the scope of work, payment terms, deadlines, and revision policies to protect both you and your clients. 12. Provide excellent customer service. Focus on delivering high-quality editing services and excellent customer service to build trust and long-term relationships with your clients. 13. Expand your skills and knowledge. Stay updated on industry trends, language conventions, and editing techniques through professional development courses, workshops, and networking with fellow editors. 14. Evaluate and adjust. Regularly evaluate your business performance, client feedback, and market trends to identify areas for improvement and adjust your strategies accordingly. Starting an editing business requires dedication, professionalism, and a commitment to delivering top-notch editing services to your clients. With careful planning and perseverance, you can build a successful editing business that fulfills your passion for language and helps others communicate effectively. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.